My name is Laura Henshaw and I studied a Bachelor of Business and Law at La Trobe. So the memories that stand out the most from my time at La Trobe, the late nights in the library, and I feel like such special friendships bond in that time when you're all studying together, and very, very fond memories of being on the lawn in the sun and eating our lunch together. So Keep It Cleaner is a health and wellness app, and through mindfulness, nutrition and movement, we help people find their personal recipe for a healthier and happier life. No matter what stage of life they're at, we try and have something for them. Keep It Cleaner came about 10 years ago now. It was founded by myself and my best friend, Steph, who I'm so lucky to be able to work with. Having a business partner that is also your best friend. So funny, when we first started, so many people said, never go into business with your friends. But it has been the most special part about doing what we do. I think when you're running a business, the highs are high, but the lows feel really low. And so having someone to be there with you along the journey is so special. We grew up in families where we focused on eating well, fueling our body. That's what it was about. We fueled our bodies so then we could play sport, and movement was fun. I loved playing basketball growing up. And so then when social media came out, it just opened up this whole new world of toxic diet culture, and it completely changed the way I thought about health. So we wanted to create with Kick a safe place where there was that education, empowerment to move well, and just so proud of what it's become today. In 7 years, where do you think you would be? I don't think even within our wildest dreams, what Kick has become would have been what we said. A lot of people ask me, especially with my law degree, oh, you're not a lawyer, so why did you need to finish it? It is so helpful in my day-to-day. Throughout the time that Kick started to grow, I was learning things in the classroom, and then the next day I was applying them at work, and that was really, really, really special, and I was just enjoying it more and more. Running a business, especially as a female, it can be hard to believe in yourself that you can do it and that you know enough to be there. I feel like we have to prove ourselves. So having that foundational knowledge and being able to say, no, I know what's going on, I understand this, made me feel really, really empowered and helped me so much. I also am a big believer if you can get through a 3.5-hour law exam, you can do anything in the whole world. So whenever I'm really struggling, I think of those times that I got through those exams and know that I could do it. To be running this business that I never dreamed of, being able to run and being able to connect with the community and help them feel good about themselves, and especially because our community is made up of a lot of young women, it is so important to me that I help pave the way for them. And I think if we are in a position to be able to do that, it doesn't matter how big or small the impact is, if we don't do it, then who's going to do it? You don't have to know what your whole career is going to look like. If we knew exactly the path we were going to walk, life would be really, really boring. No one knows all the answers, and I think we don't get told that enough.